सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Recently, India and Pakistan have swapped with each other their list of nuclear installations and institutions. It is the annual practice of exchanging the list of their nuclear installations and facilities. This is actually done every year on 1st of January because of an agreement between the two countries. In today's edition of our DNS, we will know in detail about the agreement between the two countries. The annual practice of exchanging the list of nuclear installations is done under a bilateral agreement. The annual practice of exchanging the list of nuclear installations is done under a bilateral arrangement. This arrangement basically stops both the nations from attacking each other's atomic facilities. This exchange took place through diplomatic channels simultaneously at New Delhi and Islamabad. The exchange was made in accordance with Article 2 of the Agreement on Prohibition of Attacks Against Nuclear Installations and Facilities between Pakistan and India, signed on December 31, 1988. The agreement came into force on January 27, 1991. The agreement contains the provision that both countries inform each other of their nuclear installations and facilities on January 1 every year, and this has been done consecutively since January 1, 1992, with 2021 being the 30th consecutive year. Now let us know what the agreement states. Each party shall refrain from undertaking, encouraging or participating in, directly or indirectly, any action aimed at causing the destruction of or damage to any nuclear installation or facility in the other country. The term nuclear installation or facility includes nuclear power and research reactors, fuel fabrication, uranium enrichment, isotope separation, and reprocessing facilities, as well as any other installations with fresh or irradiated nuclear fuel and materials in any form and establishment storing significant quantities of radioactive materials. Each contracting party shall inform the other on 1st of January of each calendar year of the latitude and longitude of its nuclear installations and facilities, and whenever there is any change. This agreement is subject to ratification. It shall come into force with effect from the date on which the instruments of ratification are exchanged. Despite the ongoing tensions between the two nations of Kashmir issue as well as cross-border terrorism, the exchange of information took place on January 1st. If we talk about India and Pakistan relationship from the time both the nations were created to till today, things have not been very stable and healthy between the two. Cross-border terrorism has always been an issue. India desires normal, neighborly relationship with Pakistan. Issues, if any, between India and Pakistan should be resolved bilaterally and peacefully in an atmosphere free of terror and violence. The responsibility is on Pakistan to create such a conducive environment. It has been made very clear that India will not compromise on issues relating to national security and will take firm decisive steps to deal with all the attempts to undermine India's security and territorial integrity. India has made a number of attempts to build normal, neighborly relations with Pakistan. The visit to religious shrines between India and Pakistan is governed by the bilateral protocol on visit to religious shrines signed between India and Pakistan in 1974. This protocol provides for 3 Hindu pilgrimage and 4 Sikh pilgrimage every year to visit 15 shrines in Pakistan, while 5 Pakistan pilgrimage visit 7 shrines in India. An agreement between India and Pakistan for the facilitation of pilgrims to visit Gurudwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur, Pakistan was signed on 24th October 2019 in order to fulfill the long-standing demand of the pilgrims to have easy and smooth access to the holy Gurudwara. The Kartarpur Sahib Corridor on 9th of November 2019. The Kartarpur Sahib Corridor was inaugurated on 9 November 2019 on the occasion of the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.